Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today I would like to share an important event from the seerah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A companion, Safwan radhiyallahu anhu, came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, Ya Rasulullah, can a believer, a mu'min, could he be a coward as well? And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that it's possible. And then he asked him, and could a mu'min, a believer, be a miser also? And the Prophet ﷺ said, yes, it's possible. Rasulullah said, yes, it's not impossible. Meaning hereby that, yes, being human, a believer will have faults in his personality, will have shortcomings. And then Safwan said, Ya Rasulullah, could he be a liar? And the Prophet ﷺ said, no, he cannot lie. A believer would not lie. Dear brothers and sisters, think about it. That the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam declared that truthfulness is an integral part of a believer's personality. Should we not be as truthful as we can? You know, sometimes we tend to give too much attention to the smaller things, and we might forget this main thing. People might sometimes be paying a lot of attention to the minor actions of a believer and perhaps would forget this primary feature of a mu'min's personality as declared by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah guide us to the truth, bless us to speak the truth and to live by the truth.